Hey guys, welcome back to my channel VirtualFix. Probably you has been looking on internet how install Android on Windows machine, Windows 10 or Windows 11. Most of the tutorial there are outdated. So I will run with you the new tutorial using Windows Subsystem for Android. So let me start it with you guys and see how is the process to computer, okay? So first we go to internet, google.com. We can look in any browser. So then we're looking for Windows Subsystem for Android, something like that. That is giving an explanation. This basically is discontinued for Microsoft, but still working. Okay, we can test it and we show you it's still working. Okay, so we click in that link, then we scroll down in the bottom and we look for the stable one. Okay, this is the stable one for Windows 11. So download this one, fix, direct fix, because was a problem before. And then we scroll down, and we look for the right one for us, which is, I think this is the one just January 5 this year. So we can use, let me see guys, this one. We download. In the meantime, we need to ensure that Windows feature is turned off, on. So Windows feature. So we need to click here. We need to bring this Windows, and we need to look something for say like virtual machine platform need to be click. Okay. If you not click, please do it before. And we almost ready to unlock this file. Okay, it's done. When it's done, we're looking for the file in download folder. Okay, it's not finished yet. Here you go, it's 7Z. So we extract all. In that moment, I will extract in the same folder, in the download folder. It's 2.1 gigabyte, guys. Be careful with the space. Don't forget subscribe to my channel. Help us with a like and subscribing, guys. This is a good for us to keep up in this new project. Okay guys, once the file is extracted, go in and we just look for the run file. We run as I recommended, do a double click. I say yes. Then we open the Windows like this. Then asking for permission, PowerShell yes. He start to loading all the process. Here is installing. So if you want to know what he's doing here, you see here in the top of this part, okay? They bring this Windows. Continue. I don't want to share anything with anyone. Continue. So here it say all done, press any key to exit. Let's see. They will be asking for these windows. If you want microphone and camera, that will say yes, yes. They will be start to finishing, guys. Okay, look like it's finished. So we can look on the system for Play Store, as I said before. So we click Play Store. They will be asked to sign in. Checking the account, probably is my account virtual. Let me see which account I have. VirtualFix au@gmail. Okay, let me put it in. So it's virtualfix au@gmail.com. Agree. So you say allow if you want it, depend what you want. And here we go, guys. We have a Android running on Windows 11. So what we can do is let me install any game. So no recommendation. We kit. We play this one, guys. Install Princess Baby. Continue. Skip. Installing. When the game is installed or anything is installed, you don't need to come back here. You doing directly for the apps of Windows. For example, I download that one Princess Baby phone girl. So it's installing. When it's finished, I will show you how easy it's found. Okay, this is installed. What we can do is simple here, Windows flag, and we found it here. You see? And we just need to run it. Okay, guys, that's all. So as you see, we can install any game or any app from Google Play Store. So I can type again Play Store, and it's ready to install, guys. I hope so this tutorial worked for you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.